One of the things you got to remember when you're looking at the T18 EASY, it is a powerful 18 volt drill from Festool. So it is a general purpose drill with this all steel chuck. So there's a variety of applications and I will go through those now. One of the ones I like to talk about is right here. You see this? This is a countersink bit. Okay, so when you're building cabinets, it's always great to countersink your screws. So I'm going to pre-drill and pre-countersink all in one. Okay, so we just did some drilling. Let's do some driving. I just chucked up a magnetic bit holder in there, and I'm just going to use that counter pilot hole and countersink and drill a screw. And also to remember with the T18E, it is a heavy-duty 18-volt general-purpose drill that can handle large diameter bits like this. Check this out. I got the small Forstner bit in here. Don't forget the T18 EASY is great for drilling aluminum and steel, not just wood. The T18 is great for using it in conjunction with the domino connectors when you're using it with the bit that drills for the cross anchors with the drilling jig.